My amazing physics students, welcome to week 2 of remote learning. So I just want to make a quick video just to be super clear and communicate with you guys what my expectations are for this week and your work. Okay. Thank you guys for your submissions to your projectile motion assignment. I'm going to finish up getting those graded. A few of you, I've made comments and I need a few revisions. So look at the comments that I sent you guys on your stuff, and then if things need to be changed, get those changed and then turn them in again. Okay. Looking good though. So for this week, head to Canvas and go to the physics class. And then you'll notice that I have now started putting the dates, okay? So for this next week, the end of March, beginning of April, this is the module, this is the work that needs to be completed, okay? So the first page is just an intro page. It kind of says what vocab words we're going to be looking at in this unit, some learning outcomes, okay? And then you're going to have a bit of reading and a learning check. Okay, so you'll click on the reading link, and then this will pull up, and again, you can open up in a new tab if you want to. I've gotten great information from BYU, so I just want you to recognize that theirs says 5.1 and ours says 8.1. This is our chapter 8, our unit 8, but it's their chapter 5, so don't worry about that discrepancy there. Okay, so I want you to read through the material, and then I want you to take notes on the reading. So when we get to the end of our Unit 8 and you're going to be taking your test through Canvas, you can use any notes that you take. You just can't use other resources, and there's going to be a time limit. So if you have all your notes there together, then you're able to find the information quickly, but you're not going to have time to look items up. Okay? So you're going to do your reading, and then you're going to do the, sorry, my son's looking for a little piece of candy. Then you're going to do the self-check, okay? So you're going to do your reading, and then you're going to go to the self-check. So notice with the self-check that it's just kind of like a quiz on Canvas. And so then you will start your quiz and you'll go through and answer those questions, okay? But it's unlimited attempts, so try it again and again until you get everything that you need. This is just so that you understand the information, okay? And so you have 2 of these sets of reading and self-checks to do. So when you look at this, you'll see that we have reading 8.1, self-check 8.1. That should probably be done Monday or Tuesday. And then you have reading 8.2, self-check 8.2. That should probably be Wednesday or Thursday. And then on Friday, get the targeted review done. Targeted review is free response questions. Okay? And so what you're going to do is you will start your quiz, and then it's essay answers. You're going to be typing out the answers, and then I'll go through and I'll grade those. And that's what's going to be going in the grade book for this week is your targeted review answers. Okay? So that's what needs to be accomplished this week for physics. Let me know if you have any questions at all. And then at the beginning of next week, we'll just keep going, and I'll send you another video just to clarify what has to be completed. So do your reading, take your notes, do self-checks, do them as many times as you need to understand the information, and then at the end of the week, complete the targeted review because that's what's going to be going into the grade book. Okay guys, email me if you have any questions at all.